Imagine you're working on a project and you run into a tricky problem. You have a set of commands in your GitHub Actions YAML that execute perfectly fine when a certain condition is met. However, when that condition is not met, an error pops up, leaving you puzzled. This sudden roadblock can be frustrating, especially when everything seems to be in order on your local machine. It's a head-scratcher for sure. The solution to this pesky issue lies in a subtle formatting adjustment. By tweaking the YAML syntax and adding a pipe symbol followed by a new line before the problematic command, you could bypass the error entirely in the GitHub Actions workflow. This slight change provides the necessary clarity to ensure that your commands are executed correctly, maintaining the harmony of your workflow. The YAML snippet becomes a reliable ally in avoiding those unexpected errors. To wrap it all up, the key to addressing the problem of unexpected errors in your GitHub Actions workflow is to pay attention to the details. By making a simple adjustment in the formatting of your YAML file, you can steer clear of potential errors and maintain a smooth workflow. Remember, little tweaks can make a big difference in ensuring the seamless execution of your commands. And with that, until next time, happy coding. Subscribe, like, and comment below with your own workflow quirks.